What's up, guys? Viper FPV here, and today we have our Sub250 FPVCRATE box. If you don't already know what these are a 3-inch or micro-sized mystery box you can get every month from FPVCRATE, and they supply you with like 3-inch parts and whatnot to build pretty much a 3-inch quadcopter. So if you're interested in what's in this box, you can go ahead and pick it up. I'll leave a link down below to be a subscriber, and I'm not sure if they're able to buy the boxes separately or not. I'll have to look into that. I'll leave a comment down below if I do. But anyway, let's go ahead and unbox September's 2020 Sub250 FPVCRATE box. Alright, so looks like for some stickers this month. Cool. Also looks like we got a $10 off coupon for the Stark 10 for the Stark frame, which is a 5-inch frame. Looks like we got some props. Oh, those are cool. I don't think I have any of these ones. These are the 3-inch dowel prop folds. I actually did a review of the 5-inch. Didn't really care much for them. I'll leave a link down that below too. Let me zoom in out a little bit because it's a little too close. To these. Wasn't a fan, but maybe they'll be pretty good on a 3-inch. I know 7-inch people, 7-inch and 6-inch quads actually kind of benefit a little bit from them. I haven't tested it for myself, though. That's what I've heard. Anyway, it looks like for this month we got some motors. What? This is awesome. So they are 3600 kV, 1408 motors, and I think you have a choice between two different KVs, 2400 or 3600 kV. I don't think I ever picked what I wanted. I don't remember if I did or not. So this would be for, I think, for like a 3-inch. These motors are really hard to turn a little bit. Really notchy. I'm not sure if that's normal or not. But yeah, that's what we got for this month's box for the Sub250. Not a bad box though, considering. Got some motors in there, and we'll maybe eventually get a frame and some VTX where we can build one of these, so whatever they're trying to send us to build. But this is Viper FPV, and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already. I do Sub250 boxes, FPVCRATE boxes, tutorials, tons of stuff on my channel. So if you're interested in FPV, check out my channel. But this is Viper FPV, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.